water quality varies significantly depending on your water source and your geographic location. A major culprit, TDS, total dissolved solids. That's the term used to measure inorganic and organic matter present in your water, such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, sulfate, and chloride. To reduce TDS and impurities that negatively affect your operations, KineticoPRO introduces state-of-the-art S-Series reverse osmosis systems. High TDS levels allow buildup of scale, slime, and microsediment, all of which can affect water taste, shorten the lifespan of your equipment, increase potential downtime, and add costly repairs. So whether you run a coffee shop, restaurant, hotel, brewery, or even a car wash, our innovative S-Series reverse osmosis system is the optimal solution. S-Series systems are available in 3 capacities to meet water demands from 700 to 2,500 gallons per day, and they all maximize water conservation while minimizing wastewater. Our innovative membrane technology reduces TDS, hardness, scale, and particulates. Plus, our EverClean rinse technology helps extend the membrane life and reduces maintenance costs. Our innovative advanced controller enables you to view live system data and configure the RO to your operational needs. A built-in blending valve lets you customize TDS levels to deliver water within your desired specifications. Because space constraints are always a challenge, we've designed our compact S-Series with flexible mounting options and an optional bypass. So count on KineticoPRO's S-Series reverse osmosis systems to deliver superior water quality and protect the equipment throughout your operations. Better water means better business with KineticoPRO. To learn more or to see which contaminants may be affecting your water, visit KineticoPRO.com today.